Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine hearing a chainsaw cutting through a forest. Then the sound fades. The machines leave. The forest disappears. Years later, the chainsaw returns, but this time it comes from a bird. This is not fiction. Across the planet, animals are remembering environments that no longer exist. They move, sing, and migrate as though erased forests are still standing. Tonight we explore the animals that carry memories of lost worlds. We often think of memory as something uniquely human, something emotional, something personal. But memory did not begin with us. Long before humans recorded history, animals were already storing it, in behavior, in sound, and in instinct. When environments change slowly, memory supports survival. But when environments disappear rapidly, memory becomes evidence. This is not a story about extinction. It is a story about persistence, about animals continuing to live as though the past is still present, because to them, it is. In the forests of southeastern Australia lives a bird unlike any other, the lyrebird. It can imitate almost any sound it hears: other birds, animals, wind, rain. But also chainsaws, camera shutters, construction alarms. Some lyrebirds perform these sounds with such accuracy that even audio engineers struggle to tell the difference. This mimicry evolved for one reason: to attract mates. Male lyrebirds build elaborate performances, layering sounds into complex compositions. But here is the unsettling detail. Many of the sounds lyrebirds sing today come from machines that no longer exist in those forests. Logging ended decades ago, yet the songs remain. Young lyrebirds learn these sounds from older males, which means the forest's industrial past is passed down like oral history. The lyrebird does not understand loss. It only knows how to remember. And so it sings the forest's echo. Elephants are among the most intelligent mammals on Earth. But intelligence is not what sets them apart. Memory is. Elephants remember water sources across hundreds of kilometers. They remember seasonal routes. They remember landscapes shaped long before modern borders existed. In parts of Africa and Asia, elephants still attempt ancient migrations. They walk into farmland, into villages, into fenced reserves. Not because they are confused, but because they remember where forests once stood. Researchers have observed elephants arriving at places that no longer provide food or shade, and stopping, waiting. Their memory has not adjusted to deforestation. Elephant knowledge is passed through matriarchs. When elder elephants are lost to poaching, entire ecological maps disappear with them. These animals are not wandering aimlessly. They're following instructions written generations ago. Birdsong is not decoration. It is adaptation. Songs evolve to travel efficiently through specific environments. Dense forests favor lower, resonant frequencies. Open landscapes favor higher, sharper tones. But when forests vanish quickly, the songs remain unchanged. Many birds now sing melodies designed for forests that no longer exist. Their calls carry poorly. Finding mates becomes harder. Populations decline. Scientists describe this as cultural lag, behavior shaped by a former environment, persisting into a changed one. The birds are not failing, they are remembering. They sing the way the forest once sounded. In Southeast Asia, orangutans live among fragments, isolated trees, broken canopies, silent clearings. Orangutans possessed exceptional long-term memory. They remember fruiting cycles that repeat over years. They remember feeding routes learned from their mothers. Young orangutans spend years observing and memorizing forest geography. But deforestation happens faster than learning. Some orangutans repeatedly return to places where fruit trees once stood. They search. They wait. The forest they remember no longer exists. Their memory is accurate. The landscape has changed. Animal memory is not sentimental. It is ecological information. It reveals where forests once stood, how animals moved through them, how ecosystems once functioned together. Animals act as living witnesses to environmental change. When their behavior no longer matches the landscape, it shows how abruptly that change occurred. Humans transform ecosystems in decades. Animal memory evolves over centuries. The conflict is not adaptation failure, it is a mismatch in time. Somewhere, a bird sings a sound no forest now echoes. Somewhere, elephants walk towards shade that no longer exists. These are not errors, they are memories. The animals that remember forests that no longer exist are not trapped in the past, they are carrying it forward. And if we choose to listen, they may still be showing us what the world once was and what it could be